Hey, it's Steve with Sacktown Benelli here, finishing up some projects that I've done on the Benelli. So gonna share those with you. I've completed the wiring for the light kit. I'm just waiting for the switch mount to show up. It should be showing up today, and then I'll mount the actual switch to one of the bars down lower on the bike, and then the light kit will work out pretty well for me. But let's take a look at what I did with the sticker package that I got. And the sticker package isn't easy with all the angles on the front fairings around the gas tank, but I tried my best to make it work, and the stickers are pretty good quality. Any bubbling or anything like that, that's operator error on my part, first time ever doing something like that. So without further ado, let's take a look. It's probably about 3:15, 3:20 here in January 3rd. A little bit of an overcast day, just for so you bear that in mind when I show the lights. They'll definitely show a little bit better at nighttime. So you got the bike with the camo stickers on it, and the shark mouth P40 nose art on the front fairings. There's the side. And based on the flying tigers from World War II that, were protecting China's interests and the U.S. interests in that area, fighting Imperial Japan at the time, I also added the Flying Tigers logo there and the Red Angel right up here. In this particular switch, I'm just waiting for the housing for it. I'll mount it to this bar here, and it'll probably be in this gap right up above it. That won't be hard to do. Just waiting for the switch again to come in today, and that'll work out pretty well. But given the fact that it's 3 o'clock, 3:15 on January the 3rd or so, here's what it looks like with the lights on. You can see the blue jump out under the back wheel as well, under the engine, under the front forks. And at nighttime it really lights up, and the ground around it you can't really tell during the daytime. Maybe I'll get a picture of it at night, but that's kind of what we look like with the light kit.